Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Hunmak speaking, and this whole channel gonna focus mainly on Lego construction and different themes, etc. But the main goal is gonna be Lego City. That's the theme that I always loved since I was a child. And for each video and each construction, I'm gonna make two versions of a construction. And the first of all is always like the basics, and then I'm gonna make the advanced mode with more details and etc. So I want to share my passion and show that you can always make improvement. That's the beauty of the Lego. And as you can see, I have built up my first creation for you guys to let you see that even if wherever you start, there is always room for much more improvement. So let's go. Let's check our new. So guys, here is a close-up of my construction. Think about this follow the same concept. If you're familiar with it, it's like the modular buildings, and there is that you can always follow the same rules. You can take aside 3 different levels, and this is like the basic. The first floor, you have the sewers, and of course inside it's nothing really fancy. It's like the dirt and etc. The second floor, that one is like the main floor. You see where the subway go. This is, I'm using tile. You have a little bench, and of course the stairway up to the main street, which is floor number 3. You can easily put together. It's much easier if you want to move the whole construction somewhere else or etc. And it's very easy to just construct up. You can see this is the main road, this is the entrance and exit to the subway, and think about it, this is like a big cake. You just chop it off from a bigger construction, like a Lego City construction. Of course, sometimes we don't have the room to make like a big Lego City, which of course many of you guys maybe have that as a dream, but still you can build like each pieces in a big Lego City, like a miniature version of each place in the city. And I really enjoy this concept because I always start with, when I do, I always start with like a basic, and when I build it up, so I have like a basic, like a concept of something, and afterwards I always see the improvement, which is the fantastic and my great passion with Lego. There is like never ending, there is always room for improvement. So that's why I gonna go step by step. I'm gonna start with the first floor, demolish it and build it up so you can follow my each step, and then I go to the second floor and of course the third floor. And for the next time, you're gonna see that I'm gonna use my own, what I think it's more like advanced mode, and I'm gonna make a lot of more improvements. But this is my concept of 3 floor in a Lego City with 3 floor, the same concept as a modular. So let's get started to demolish the first one. So guys, welcome aboard. As you can see guys, this is all the pieces you need for the first floor. Let's get started. So here we go, guys. I have rebuilt everything, and this is, let's go to the next level, shall we? So guys, this is the second floor. You remember this? Yes. So let's do the same thing as we did with this first floor. Let's demolish it and let's build it up. Hang on. Hello guys. As you can see, here is all the pieces for the second floor. So let's start building. Then we have the second floor. It's done. And let's put those together like this. And we're gonna do the third floor. Hey, if you remember, this is the third floor, the main street, and this is the walk down. This is the main and the last piece on the roof, and this is the main street. As you can see, the underground, the entrance, just right over here. Let's demolish it, and one more time, build it up for you. I have demolished. This is the last level, the third floor, the main street. This is all the pieces of what I need. So let's start building up one more time. Okay, then it's done one more time. As you see, the third and the last floor is done. So let us put everything together. And we are done. So we are done. So as I mentioned before, this is a classic like Lego City, and which was of course my most popular team when I was a child, and that's why I really enjoy to build everything. But as I mentioned at the start of the video, this is only the basics, so this is nothing like this is a very simple. Of course it looks nice, it's a basic of course, but what I do is that always make improvements. So what I'm gonna do for the next video, I'm gonna not demolish it everything, some pieces, and I'm gonna make an improvement on every single level with more details, like minifigures, curbstones at the railway, of course, up here, so you can see it's a main street, so you can see it's much more detail. That is my great passion with the Lego. There is never this kind of a building is nothing really. I mean, it's totally fine, it's nice, but you can always make an improvement, and this is what this channel about. I always build and will be building very classic Lego City, etc. But I always want to do something that is more improvement on every detail and every aspect in the building. So guys, I hope you really enjoying my video and my building from the scratch. I build it up for you so you can see it's not really that difficult, to be honest, but you don't give up. And when you see, as me, I'm very satisfied. I can show you with simple bricks you can build up something that is very beautiful and very good. But as me, what I do is the passion. When I build something up, I always make a lot more improvements. So for the next video, I'm gonna demolish once more, but the difference gonna be that for every single level I'm gonna make very detailed on, like from the mud, from the railway, from the stairs up here on the top main floor. And my goal is always to have like 3 levels and 3 different levels in every buildings that I'm gonna do for you guys. If you like my video, please hit the thumb up, leave a comment, I'm gonna answer you, and if you want, give me some ideas what I can build and make an improvement. I do it gladly for you guys. And please, if you want, subscribe, and until next time, until the next video, we're gonna make a lot more improvement for this one. So take care everyone, and see you next time.